Good day, everyone. We are now on the sixth week of the second quarter. This is Rowena Palaming, Teacher 3 of Ordaneta City National High School, your lecturer. Today, I will be discussing on the if-then statements. After this week, you will be able to determine the relationship between hypothesis and the conclusion of an if-then statement and transform or formulate a general statement into an equivalent if-then statement. But before we are going to proceed, I will just give you some points to remember. If-then statement. If-then statement is composed of two clauses. The if clause is denoted by P is called the hypothesis. And then and the then clause is denoted by Q is the conclusion. Conditional statements are formed by joining P and Q. If P, then Q. If people have chronic medical conditions, then they will be vulnerable to severe viral infections. The underlined words is called the hypothesis. Okay? And then they will be vulnerable to severe viral infections is called the conclusion. Activity 1. Let's formulate. Okay? The direction, formulate the if-then statement, underline the hypothesis, and encircle the conclusion. Here are some examples. Statement 1, number 1. Quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides and 4 angles. So, if a polygon is a quadrilateral, then it has 4 sides and 4 angles. The underlined words is called the hypothesis, and the encircled one is called the conclusion. Okay, let us have example 2. A triangle is a polygon with 3 sides. If a polygon is a triangle, then it has 3 sides. Okay, the underlined, if a polygon is a triangle, is called the hypothesis, and the encircled words, then it has 3 sides, is called the conclusion. Okay, you may or add some words to formulate the if-then form of a statement. Did you understand? Okay, activity 2. Will you conclude? Direction. Supply a valid conclusion. Example. If angle B is a right angle, then it measures exactly 90 degrees. Why? Because according to the definition of a right triangle, has a measure 90 degrees. Number 2, if triangle BOX is isosceles, then it has 2 equal sides. Why? Because according to the definition of isosceles, isosceles triangles, it has 2 equal sides. Okay, number 3, if angle 2 is equal to angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 2 is equal to angle 3, then angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Why? Because that is the transitive property of equality. So the basis for conclusion is the definition or properties of equality and others. Activity 3. If and then again. Direction. Write a short paragraph to continue praise below. Apply the if-then statements. If I study hard, then you can now add some words, no, to complete the sentence. You can use 4 to 5 4 to 5 if you can use 4 to 5 if then statements in the paragraph. Did you understand? Okay, have a nice day. This virtual instruction is not possible without these people. The grade 8 math team composed of Sir Manny Ancheta, Ma'am Reyna Corpus, Ma'am Paula Bianca Cruz, Ma'am Ofelia Mapatak, Ma'am Mary Grace Talvo.